the basic foundation of life as far as we know. Wherever life originates in the universe, it is essential that there is a basis for that origin. What, then, is the basis of life on Earth? We accept carbon as the basic basis of life. That is, it must be unequivocally acknowledged that carbon and water are the basic basis building blocks of all living things, from the ants, which are considered to be the weakest intelligent beings on Earth, to the most intelligent animal, the human being. Although not as suitable as carbon, silicon is able to perform the function of carbon to some extent. That is, it is able to combine with other atoms to form a number of compounds. As I mentioned above, all the organisms we know of are based on organic molecules and water. Excludes two types of carbon-containing molecules, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, and nucleic acids are examples. Liquid water provides an excellent medium for organic molecules to react with each other. Hydrogen fluoride is an example. But this compound is thought to be small outside the Earth. So scientists looking for alien life use organic molecules and water as evidence. Water is found in some of the planets in our solar system. But not in a liquid state, but as ice or steam. Not that there is not very little liquid water. But such a small amount of water is not enough for the survival of advanced organisms. Could such life exist on other planets in the solar system besides Earth? Considering the physical factors present on each planet, it is possible to determine whether they are suitable for carbon-based life. Although I'm going to tell you about the existence of life on our solar system's sister planets, the environmental factors on each planet may be conducive to the existence of life based on silicon or some other element. That is, physics that is considered harmful to the existence of carbon-based life. Here there may be life on another planet based on evidence. But carbon has been linked to the evolution of life since the beginning of life on Earth. Earth excavations have uncovered tens of thousands of years old bones. Also coal and fossils of ancient animals and ancient people with other mineral resources. Stone bones have been found. The bones of the animals found today, they are in the early evolutionary stage of living animals. In the opinion of scientists, this evolution is described in two ways. That is, animal evolution and chemical evolution. By animal evolution, they mean the first boneless single species on Earth. From these creatures came fish and amphibians that came out of the water. Then came the amphibians, the reptiles, the mammals, and the aphids. Monkeys belong to this genus. Evolutionists acknowledge that humans evolved from ape species. Charles Darwin's book The Origin of Man also supports this view. Chemical evolution says a different situation. There that day much of the atmosphere was made up of methane, aqueous, ammonia, and water vapor. Atmospheric gases are associated with the carbon element on Earth due to the heat of volcanoes. They believe that these contacts are responsible for the organic matter that gave rise to life on Earth.